If you're wondering how to export time reports for payroll or billing, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily so you can stay on top of your payroll and billing processes. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know how to pull these reports like a pro. Now, if you've ever struggled with exporting time reports for payroll or billing, you know how important it is to get it right the first time. Many software solutions out there can make it confusing, but I've tried the most popular options. And today, I'll walk you through the simplest and most efficient way to export time reports for payroll or billing. First, let's start by logging into the software we'll be using today. Once you're in, you'll want to go to the time tracking or report section. This is usually clearly labeled, so it won't take long to find. Once you're there, select the date range for the time period you need to export. This is crucial. Whether it's a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly report, make sure you select the correct range to avoid any errors when you're processing payroll or billing. Next, you'll see options for how you want to filter the report. Most software will give you the choice of exporting by employee, department, or project. For payroll, you'll most likely want to filter by employee to ensure you're capturing the correct hours for each individual. If you're working on billing, you might want to filter by project or client. Once you've set your filters, you'll want to review the report for accuracy before you export. Check that all the hours are correct and that no entries are missing or duplicated. Accuracy here is key for both payroll and billing, so take a moment to double check everything. Now, when you're ready to export, there should be an export button, typically located at the top or bottom of the report page. Most systems will allow you to export the data in several formats, such as CSV, Excel, or PDF. For payroll and billing, I recommend exporting in Excel or CSV format, since these are the most compatible with other accounting or payroll systems. After you hit the export button, the file will download to your computer. From there, you can open it up and make any final adjustments before sending it off to your payroll provider or using it for billing purposes. And that's it. A simple, straightforward way to export your time reports for payroll or billing. Before we close out, let me remind you that if you want to follow along with this tutorial and get an exclusive free trial of the software we use today, check out the link in the description below. This free trial is exclusive to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Key takeaway: to successfully export time reports for payroll or billing, remember to set the right date range, filter by employee or project, double check for accuracy, and then export in the most compatible format. It's quick, easy, and saves you a lot of time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to grab your free trial in the description below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.